Meaning of hungrily.
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 Hungrily. The word hungrily is an adverb that describes the intense desire or eagerness with which someone does something. It implies a strong craving or hunger for something, whether it be food, success, or any other type of reward. When a person does something hungrily, they are doing it with great enthusiasm and determination, often because they feel a deep need or yearning for that particular thing. This can lead to a focused and driven approach, but can also result in impatience or recklessness if not properly managed.